Experiencing microphone problems on your Samsung Galaxy Watch? You're not alone. Many users face issues with voice calls, Bixby, or fitness tracking. This video breaks down the causes and provides solutions. We'll cover software glitches, hardware issues like water damage, and even environmental factors. By February 2026, Samsung has addressed many issues via software updates, but some problems persist, especially with older models. The Samsung Galaxy Watch microphone is a small electret condenser microphone, or ECM, located near the speaker grill. This design allows for clear voice capture during calls and voice commands. The microphone is designed for low-power operation, making it efficient for wearable devices. It captures analog sound waves and converts them to digital signals through analog-to-digital conversion. These signals are then processed by the watch's system for voice commands and calls. Common microphone issues include software bugs, where firmware glitches disable the microphone module. Hardware failures occur from dust accumulation or moisture exposure. Environmental noise from background sounds can overwhelm the microphone, and power-saving modes during low battery may reduce microphone performance. First, try the simplest fixes. Restart your watch by holding the power button for 7 seconds. Then, check for software updates in the Galaxy Wearable app. Go to Watch Settings. Then, Watch Software Update. Download and install. These updates often include bug fixes for audio drivers. As of late 2025, One UI Watch 5.1 included microphone sensitivity optimizations. For older watches, check for any available updates, but note that support may be discontinued. Physical inspection is the first step in hardware troubleshooting. Check the microphone area for any visible debris or moisture that might be blocking the opening. If you see any debris, use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the area around the microphone opening. Avoid using liquids or abrasive materials that could damage the watch. Water exposure can cause microphone problems. If your watch has been exposed to water, ensure it's completely dry before testing. The Galaxy Watch has an IP68 rating for water resistance. However, prolonged submersion can still cause corrosion over time. Always dry your watch thoroughly after water exposure to prevent internal damage. Samsung's wearable app now includes built-in microphone hardware diagnostics. Run this test through the app to automatically check for potential hardware issues. To rule out app interference, boot your Galaxy Watch into safe mode. This prevents third-party apps from running. First, power off the watch. Then, press and hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Release the power button and immediately press and hold it again until safe mode appears at the bottom of the screen. Test the microphone in safe mode. If it works, a third-party app is likely the culprit. Uninstall recently added apps to identify the problem. For advanced users, clearing the cache via ADB Android Debug Bridge commands may resolve software-driven microphone issues. This involves connecting your watch to a computer and using specific ADB commands to clear the cache partition. This method can be risky and may void your warranty. Only attempt this if you are comfortable with using ADB and have experience with Android debugging. Connect your Galaxy Watch to a computer using a USB cable, then use ADB commands in a terminal to clear the cache. A viral DIY guide on Reddit's Ars Galaxy Watch offers step-by-step instructions for this process. If software fixes and basic hardware checks fail, it's time to contact Samsung support for professional help. They offer free repairs for watches under warranty with confirmed hardware failures. Issues from water exposure or physical damage may also be covered. If you're near a Samsung service center, visit for in-person diagnosis and find locations through their website or app. When contacting support, bring proof of purchase, device details, and describe the issue along with troubleshooting steps already attempted. Looking ahead, expect improved microphone reliability in future Galaxy Watches. Advancements in noise-canceling algorithms and AI-driven diagnostics are reducing failure rates. By 2027-2028, fully waterproof microphones with graphene membranes are expected, minimizing water-related problems. AI will also play a larger role in self-diagnostics and automatic problem-solving. Keep your watch updated and cleaned to maintain optimal performance.